Mahoday. I'm starting the recording. Astu, Prarambham Kurmah.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinameditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Dhanyawad Mahoday.
Namaste Mahoday.
Astu. Any doubts from last class? Any questions? Anything regarding the homework? Prashnaha santi va? Prashnaha na santi va? Astu. So I have a few announcements that I want to make before we dive into the subject today. The first one is about textbooks. I had sent a list of books to buy about 6 weeks ago or so. Has everybody bought those books? The reason is very soon we will be starting the topic of Vibhakti. There are two books, Vibhakti Vallari and Abhyasa Darshini. They have very good exercises at the back, at the end of each chapter. So we will be doing the homework from those exercises. I think we've exhausted most of the exercises from the RSS book and the Bhasha Pravesha book, at least at our level. So we are going to start assigning homework from those books, maybe in about 3 weeks or 4 weeks or so. So if you have not bought them, I would request you to please buy them. Those books are not available online. So if you want to do homework and you want to keep up with the class, the only way is to buy those books. They're very cheap. So there are like 4 or 5 books that I suggested and the total cost is like 300 rupees. And Samskrita Bharati dispatches those books very quickly. So even if you order today, you should have them in hand by the time we actually start assigning. Sukanya Mahoday.
Mahodaya, can you please send once more the list? So maybe I have missed it somewhere, so I don't have the list with me.
Okay.
If you can please send it, so I can get the books as early as possible. Yes.
Okay.
Whether that list contain all the 5 books you sent?
Not those RSS books, Mahodaya. These are the books from Samskrita Bharati.
Okay.
Abhyasa Darshini and Vibhakti Vallari and Kala Bodhini.
That list I didn't have. That list I don't have.
It's in the same list. It's in the same email. I sent only one email about the book that has 2 sections, one for the RSS book and the second one for the Samskrita Bharati book. So I am right now talking about the Samskrita Bharati book. The Samskrita Bharati books are the ones that have the homework that we plan on giving in about 4 weeks or so. I will send that email again. Please go through that email once more carefully. Buy the Samskrita Bharati book.
Okay.
Anu Mahoday, it's on the Signal group also. I am resending it on that. for easy access.
Please do that, Mahodaya. And
Dhanyavad.
Sandeep Mahodaya, if you can forward that email also, that would be helpful. I know that several people don't check their Signal messages frequently.
Bhanu Mohoday, Rachna here. Here for US, I think we are getting the Sanskrit Bharati books, but not the RSS books. For the book order which we have done, there was a long wait on it, and it seems that they are not able to get in contact
With the RSS book?
Yes.
That's
so
okay.
Finally, finally, like everyone has decided to call for it was on hold for a long time, but once it was decided that they are not able to contact them, I think the RSS order has been cancelled and only Sanskrit Bharati is coming.
Oh, I didn't know that. Somebody should have told me that. Okay, I will contact Manoj.
Manish something.
Manish. Okay. I will contact him. I wish somebody had told me this.
No, finally, we had to give an approval. Yesterday, I said, 2 days before, I said, yes, you can send. But some others who have received it, it is without that without those books.
Okay, but anyway, we are right now concerned about the Samskrita Bharati.
Right.
Okay. Anything on the book? Okay. The second topic is there are two Pravesha books for those that want to take the Pravesha exam in January of 2022. One of the senior students, Lata students, she has 2 extra books. If you are interested, if you live in the US and you want that book, send me a message on Signal. The third one is about homework. Some of you have sent me a message that you could not send the homework for whatever reason, which is fine. But there are several of you that have not done the homework and have not been submitting for the last several classes. I particularly don't mind, but every month I have to submit a report to Jayakumar Mahodaya. He asks me about homeworks in particular. So if he comes to know that homeworks are pending for 7-8 weeks, he will ask you to join next year or whenever you have time to do homework. He's very particular about homework. So my suggestion is, if you have a lot of homework pending, please at least do the last 3 or 4 ones and send them, and then work on other homework. The last announcement is next week, 13th, next Tuesday is Ugadi. So I won't be able to teach on that day. And then 14th is the Tamil New Year, and we have a lot of Tamil classmates here, so I don't want to disrupt their celebration. So next week, the class will be on the 15th, Thursday, same time. I know it may not work for everybody, but that's the only compromise that will work for a majority of us. Astu, if there is nothing else, we shall start.
The next class you said is on 15th or 16th?
15.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thursday, Guruvasare.
Yeah.
Can everybody see my screen? Yes, no, I cannot see anybody, so you have to please.
Yes, we can see.
Yes.
So last week we saw Kasmai in Ekavachana. So today we will see it in Bahuvachana. Tatah Purvam Ekavaram Ekavachanasya Punaravalokanam Kurmah. Pumlinge Ekavachane Balakaha Balakaya Ramaha Ramaya Bhikshukah Bhikshukaya. Strilinge Balika Balikayai Mahila Mahilayai Janani Jananyai Parvati Parvatyai. Napumsakalinge Yantram Yantraya Jivanam Jivanaya. अर्चनम् अर्चनाय। यथा पूर्वं नपुंसकलिङ्गं पुंलिङ्गं पुंलिङ्गे नपुंसकलिङ्गे रूपं समानम्। Today we will start with the Bahuvachana for Kasmai. Usha Mahoday, please read the first one.
Janani balakebhyah dugdam anayati.
Janani balakebhyah dugdham anayati. Mother brings milk for the boy. So here balakaha. So we have bahuvachanam of boys, many boys. So balakaha will become balakebhyah. So Usha Mahoday, if it was ekavachanam, what would it have been?
Balakaya.
Balakaya. So ekavachanam balakaya, bahuvachanam balakebhyah. Vijay Sundara Mahoday, Dvitiyam Vakyam.
शिक्षकः छात्रेभ्यः पुस्तकानि ददाति. Teachers gives books for the students.
शिक्षकः छात्रेभ्यः पुस्तकानि ददाति. Teacher gives books for the students. There was only one student, Mahodaya.
शिक्षकः छात्राय पुस्तकानि ददाति.
उत्तमम्. शिक्षकः छात्राय पुस्तकानि ददाति. So बहुवचने छात्राः, so it will become छात्रेभ्यः and take the for form. Kavita Mahoday.
धनिकः भिक्षुकेभ्यः नाणकानि यच्छति. Rich person gives coins for the beggars.
धनिकः भिक्षुकेभ्यः नाणकानि यच्छति. So what is yachati, Mahoday?
Yachati is giving.
One more word for yachati in Sanskrita.
Dadati.
Dadati. If there was only one beggar,
धनिकः भिक्षुकाय नाणकानि यच्छति.
उत्तमम्. धनिकः भिक्षुकाय नाणकानि यच्छति ददाति. बहु, since there are many beggars, भिक्षुकेभ्यः. So बालकः बालकेभ्यः, छात्रः छात्रेभ्यः, भिक्षुकः भिक्षुकेभ्यः. Any questions?
Bhanu Mahodaya, one question. Most of the cases for Kasmai is always Yachati or Dadati, right? In most cases, no?
No, see, we have Anayati, Kriyati.
That's why I was just asking Anayati. Okay, earlier, at least in the homework, everything was Yachati.
So, Dana Kriya or giving, Yachati, Dadati, that's a very big use case or usage for the Kasmai form.
Okay.
But that is not the only thing. Namaha, we will study it in a future class. Namaha, Suryaya Namaha, Ramaya Namaha, Krishnaya Namaha, Shivaya Namaha. There are many shlokas. If you go through your class, it will all be Aya for Pullinga Devata.
Oh, okay.
So whenever you see the word Namaha, you have to use the Kasmai form.
Okay. Thank you. Dhanyawad.
अन्य कोऽपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा?
Anumoday, the Kasmai is also for what purpose, right? Like it's like I am paying for vegetables, like that also, right? So it could be for, it's a purpose, kiske liye type, right?
That is correct. So, right, we will see all the different usages of Kasmai form when we learn about this in the Vibhakti class. Right now, this is all an introduction to the various forms of the different for the different namapadas, noun. Balakasya, balakena, balakebhyah, balakaya, balake, balakaha, balakam. We are seeing the different forms. It's an introduction. And once we start learning about vibhaktis, we will see all the different purposes or all the usages of these different forms. Astu. Narayanan Mahodaya. Let us start the abhyas.
Mahodaya, are you able to hear me?
Yes, Sumitra Mahodaya.
When you said that Janani Balakebhyah, and that the objective thing also will change into the Bahuvachanam form, or it will be just or anything. Vikshukah Chatrebhyah Pustakani Dadati. So that Pustakam or Pustakani, that both it will change.
न आवश्यकं नास्ति दुग्धं तु एकवचनमेव.
Yeah, that is dugdham, okay. Milk.
Pustakam is also fine, but then you will ask me how can the teacher give one book to many students. So that's why I made it as Pustakam. But yeah, if the Pustakam is to be shared among many students, we could have used Pustakam.
So it could be either ekavachanam or bahuvachanam.
Ekavachanam api shakyate, bahuvachanam api shakyate.
Dhanyavad.
Astu.
Bhanu Mahodaya.
Pruchhatu Mahodaya.
Ekavachana, bahuvachana, kriyapada, kartrupadam follows, right?
आमां सत्यं. जननी एकवचने अस्ति, क्रिया अत्र आनयति अस्ति, तदपि एकवचने अस्ति. जननी आनयति, शिक्षकः ददाति, धनिकः यच्छति.
But you cannot say pustakani dadanti, right? Dadati. I'm sorry, pustakani dadati. You cannot.
If it was shikshakaha, then you would have said dadati.
Kartrupada. Okay. Dhanyavadam.
Karta, whatever the vachana of karta is, that is the same vachana of the kriya pada. Always, no matter where you go, whichever topic we study, it always follows. Astu. Anya. Narayanan Mahodaya. Arambham karotu.
Mahodaya, can you put it in presentation mode?
Drishyate va? Can you see?
Astu. Ama.
Arambham karotu Mahodaya.
Nripaha Janakaha Apanikaha Ruknaha Panditaha Nripaha Panditaha. Okay. Asmai Pullinga Abhyara. Panditaha Panditebhyaha. Nripaha Panditebhyaha Upaharam Dadati.
Uttamam. Nrupaha Panditebhyaha Upaharam Dadati. Yadi Ekaha Panditah asti tarhi?
Ekaha Pandita to Panditaya.
Uttama. Arthaha kaha? Nrupaha Panditebhyaha Upaharam Dadati. Arthaha kaha?
Nripaha king gives food to the Panditas.
Food mastu gift.
Okay, sorry. It's not aharam, it's upaharam.
Alpaharam, aharam nasti, upaharam.
Upaharam. Gifts.
Astu. Sukanya Mahodaya, prayatnam karoti va?
Mahodaya.
Karoti.
Grahakah. आपणी जनक जनक.
What is a grahakah? Who is a grahakah?
Grahakah is a householder.
No. That is a gruhastha. Grahakah is a buyer.
Buyer. Oh, okay.
If it is a buyer, what word will fit here? Pandita is always already gone. So out of the remaining 5,
आपणिका आपणिकेभ्यः आपणिकेभ्यः
उत्तमम्.
आपणिकानि ददाति. आपणिकाः is उपनेत्रं ददाति, उपनेत्राणि ददाति.
Upanetrani dadati is okay. Dhanam is probably more appropriate, right?
Okay.
What is it? Who is an apanika?
So grahakah आपणिकेभ्यः धनं यच्छति.
What is apanikah mean?
Apanikekah is
shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper.
So for a shopkeeper, it's more appropriate to use dhanam yachati. I mean, you can still say upanetrani, nothing wrong. Astu, uttamam. Grahakah आपणिकेभ्यः धनं यच्छति. अर्थः कः महोदय, सुकन्या महोदय?
So the buyer gives the shopkeeper money.
उत्तमम्. माधुरी महोदय, तृतीयम्.
Many shopkeepers, right? In this case.
In this case, many shopkeepers. Satyam.
अहं वृद्धेभ्यः जलम् आनयामि.
अहं वृद्धेभ्यः जलम् आनयामि. अर्थः कः?
I bring water for old people.
I bring water for old people. अस्तु. मीरा महोदय.
भवती भिक्षुकेभ्यः अन्नं ददातु.
भवती भिक्षुकेभ्यः अन्नं ददातु. अर्थः कः?
You give food or rice to beggars.
उत्तमम्. So instead of bhikshukaha, if it was bhikshukah, ekavachanam?
Bhavati bhikshukaya annam dadatu.
Bhavati sthane yadi bhavan asti tarhi?
Bhavan bhikshukaya annam dadatu.
Aham asti chet bhavati sthane?
Aham bhikshukaya annam dadami.
उत्तमं. सः भवती स्थाने?
सः भिक्षुकाय अन्नं ददाति.
बहुवचने भिक्षुकाः सः
भिक्षुकेभ्यः सः भिक्षुकेभ्यः अन्नं ददाति.
उत्तमं. So this is how you practice the same example. We have converted into 5 or 6 different examples, and we have revised the concepts that we learned in the past also. So this is how you keep up with not just the current subject, but also what we have learned in the past. That's a good way of remembering. Uttamam. Reena Mahoday. No, balika.
बालिका
Hmm.
जनकेह जनकेह
Hmm. अत्र पश्यतु बालकः बालकेभ्यः छात्रः छात्रेभ्यः भिक्षुकः भिक्षुकेभ्यः
बालिकेभ्यः
No.
बालिका जनकी right balika
the middle box you have to convert it into the kasmai form bahuvachana.
yes बालिकाः जनकेभ्यः अन्नं ददातु
No, balika, if we have dadatu, you can't mix balika with dadatu. Dadatu will come with bhavan or bhavati, right?
Yes. उपनेत्रं ददाति बालिकाः जनकेभ्यः उपनेत्रं ददाति.
Why balikaha? There is ekavachanam only, right? Balika
जनकेभ्यः
जनकेभ्यः उपनेत्राणि
ददाति.
अर्थः कः? What is the meaning?
Girl gives उपनेत्राणि specs to her father or
जनकेभ्यः many fathers.
Many fathers. Oh my God.
Bahuvachanam for many fathers.
So that sentence goes wrong, right?
No, it is correct. I mean, let us assume there are many fathers in the room. That girl gives sex to every father, everybody's father. We are not saying she gives it to her father. We are just saying she gives it to father, some father. That's it. Ramu Mahodaya, Antimam Karu.
वैद्यः रुग्णेभ्यः औषधं यच्छति.
उत्तमं. वैद्यः रुग्णेभ्यः औषधं यच्छति. अर्थः कः?
Doctors give the patients medicine.
Doctors एकवचनं वा बहुवचनं वा? Doctor वा?
वैद्यः one.
एकवचनं. So doctor gives medicine to many patients. Rugnaha, instead of Rugnaha, if we have only one patient,
Rugnaya,
Uttama. Astu. Any questions? We are not doing anything new here. It's just a Bahuvachana form that we did last time. If you have questions, ask. So the question form here in Bahuvachana will become Kebhyaha. Like before, the question form will rhyme in many cases with the answer form. We saw Balakebhyaha, so the question form will be Kebhyaha, Pandavebhyaha, Kebhyaha, Bhikshukebhyaha, Kebhyaha. So, Janani Kebhyaha Dugdham Anayati, Janani Balakebhyaha Dugdham Anayati. For whom does the mother bring milk? Mother brings milk for the boy. Draupadi Kebhyaha Bhojanam Pachati. For whom does Draupadi cook food? Draupadi cooks food for the Pandavas. So many Pandavas are there. So Pandavebhyaha. So we are expecting an answer in Bahuvachana. So the question will be Kebhyaha. So if you don't know for how many people she cooks, if you don't know whether the answer will be in Ekavachana or Bahuvachana, then we can use Kasmai. Draupadi Kasmai Bhojanam Pachati. For whom? And if you know the answer is in Bahuvachana, you can say Pandavebhyaha. Same way, Dhanikaha Kebhyaha Nanakani Yachati. For whom does the rich person give coins? Dhanikaha Bhikshutebhyaha Nanakani Yachati. Kebhyaha Balakebhyaha, Kebhyaha Pandavebhyaha, Kebhyaha Bhikshutebhyaha. So that's a rhyming. Prashnaha santi va? Any questions? No? Astu, agre saramaha. Let's actually do Napumsaka first because the form is same as Bhumindra. Viraj Mahoday.
Aham yantrebhyah tailam anayami. I bring oil for the machines.
Aham yantrebhyah tailam anayami. Yantram became yantrebhyah. So यदि एकमेव यन्त्रमस्ति तर्हि वाक्यं किं भवति महोदय?
Aham yantraya tailam anayami.
उत्तमम्. अहं यन्त्राय तैलम् आनयामि. बहुवचनमस्ति तर्हि अहं यन्त्रेभ्यः तैलम् आनयामि. उत्तमम्. चैत्र महोदय.
सः क्रीडाङ्गणेभ्यः तृणं क्रीणाति. He buys grass for the playgrounds.
Playground. सः क्रीडाङ्गणेभ्यः तृणं क्रीणाति. क्रीडाङ्गणेभ्यः, क्रीडाङ्गणं becomes क्रीडाङ्गणेभ्यः. यदि एकमेव क्रीडाङ्गणम् अस्ति चेत् तर्हि वाक्यं किं भवति महोदय?
सः क्रीडाङ्गणाय तृणं क्रीणाति.
उत्तमम्.
He buys grass for the playground.
For one playground. उत्तमम्.
For one playground for the.
अत्र बहुवचनमस्ति तर्हि सः क्रीडाङ्गणेभ्यः तृणं क्रीणाति. भवानी महोदय. भवानी महोदय अस्ति वा?
Yes, yes.
वदतु महोदय.
Yeah. Bhaktaha mandirebhyah danam dadati. Devotees give donations for temples.
Bhaktaha mandirebhyah danam dadati. Atra dadati asti. Why dadati mahoday? Why not dadati?
The dadati would be gave.
No, we haven't studied Bhutakala. It's all Vartamana Kala only. No past tense. It's all present tense only. Now, what is dadati?
Dadati give. Dadati gives.
Dadati gives.
Yes.
Ekavachanam. Dadati bahuvachanam. Who is the karta here?
Bhaktaha, the devotees.
Bhaktaha. Ekavachanam va bahuvachanam va?
Bahuvachanam.
What is the kriya padam here?
Dadati.
Dadati. So the vachana of the kriya padam should be equal to the vachana of the karta. Right? Bhaktaha bahuvachanam, dadati bahuvachanam. Clear, Mahoday?
Yeah. So it's not dadanti then.
This is a visheshana form. It's not dadanti. Dadati, dadati.
Dadati.
Dadati ekavachanam, bahuvachanam will be dadati.
Dadati. Okay.
So if it was one bhaktaha, what would be the sentence?
भक्तः मन्दिरेभ्यः दानं
ददाति एकवचनं ददाति 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 एकवचनं ददति बहुवचनं स्पेशल फॉर्म
ओके
भक्ताः मन्दिरेभ्यः दानं
ददाति ओके
अस्तु Bhagya Mahoday, this goes back to your earlier question. You see this, right? Bhagya Mahoday?
Yes, Mahodaya, I did. Dhanyavada.
Any questions about this example? Please ask. Astu. Yantram, yantrebhyah, क्रीडांगनम, there is a typo here, क्रीडांगनम, क्रीडांगणेभ्यः, मंदिरम, मंदिरेभ्यः. Same as पुंलिंग. Rachana Mahoday.
Sa Anveshanam, what does it mean?
Searching.
Searching. Sa Kridangana Sa Sanganaka Yantra Yantrebhyah Sanganaka Yantrebhyah Sarvatra Anveshanam Karoti.
सा संगणक यंत्रेभ्यः सर्वत्र अन्वेषणं करोति. अर्थः कः?
You with
you
is like for a female, right? You
no she
I'm sorry, she with computer,
with we are studying for.
Okay, for whom? For computer, search everywhere. Searches everywhere.
She searches everywhere for computer.
She searches everywhere for computer.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. सुरेंद्र महोदय.
भीमः
न सैनिकाः.
सैनिकाः युद्धेभ्यः सर्वत्र अन्वेषणं करोति.
So that is over. So choose a different example. Choose a different sentence.
सैनिकाः युद्धेभ्यः प्रशिक्षणं. No.
So what is the karta here?
Karta is Sainikaha. Yes, then it is okay.
Is that in ekavachanam or bahuvachanam?
It is in bahuvachanam.
So you can eliminate lot of things from here.
Yes. Sainikaha yuddhebhyah prashikshanam kurvanti.
Uttamam. And why did you choose this prashikshanam kurvanti?
It is bahuvachan.
It is bahuvachanam.
Yes.
Uttamam. So please always remember the vachana of the karta and the vachana of the kriya should match. So that way you can eliminate a lot of things here.
Correct.
Sainikaha yuddhebhyah prashikshanam kurvanti. Arthah kaha?
Soldiers prashikshanam is training.
Training.
Soldiers are doing training for yuddha, for war.
Wars. Bahuvachanam.
For wars. For wars. Yes.
Uttamam. Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
Bhimah Kilapalakani is what?
Which one, Mahodaya?
Kilapalakani is what? I don't know the meaning of that.
Oh, keyboard.
Achha, keyboard. Can't be. Okay, Bhima server. Okay. Bhimah pustakebhyah grantalayam gacchati.
Mastu. Bhimah
Pustakebhyah grantalayam gacchati.
Arthah kaha?
Bhima goes to the library for the books.
Astu, uttamam.
Because when I thought of Bhima, I immediately thought of Pandava Bhima. So
that is the example only. So if you know the story in Mahabharata,
you will connect it to Saugandhika.
Exactly, Saugandhika. So what is the story, Ramu Mahodaya?
Draupadi gets a flower, it's a Parijata, and she asks for more, and Bhima goes in search of it.
Correct.
And gets to the Surgaloka, and in the way he meets Anjaneya and all. That is the story.
The story where Bhima fights with Anjaneya. So this episode happens during that time. So when the Pandavas were in Vanavasa, like Ramu Mahodaya said, Draupadi gets one flower. She likes the smell of it a lot, and so she sends Bhima in search of many more flowers. So the ideal sentence would have been Bhimah Saugandhika Pushpebhyah Sarvatra
Anneshanam Karoti.
Oh.
That's okay. Your sentence made sense. So that's fine. Okay. Bhagya Mahodaya.
Saha Pustukebhyah. Oh, it's done already. Okay. Saha.
Assume Vijay Mahodaya had done Bhimah Saugandhika Pushpebhyah Sarvatra Anneshanam Karoti. Because this is very specific, let's eliminate that.
Okay. Saha Mitrebhyah Grantalayam Gacchati.
No. Astu. Arthah kaha?
He goes to library for friends.
For his friends.
For his friends. Right.
Manjula Mahodaya.
Bhavan.
So when you see Bhavan, your Kriya Pada you can eliminate lot of Kriya Padas here, right? Based on what we studied so far. For Bhavan, we only studied Kriya Padas that end in tu.
This will be ending with T, Mahodaya.
Punaha vadatu Mahodaya, I could not hear you.
It will end with T.
Tu. Bhavan and Bhavati will end with tu.
Bhavan.
There is only one that ends with tu here.
Madhurani Echatu.
What does that mean? Madhurani Echatu.
Madhura is melodious.
No, Madhuram is sweet.
Sweet. Okay. Echatu is giving or take.
Give. So Bhavan, you give sweets.
मित्र
Ah,
मित्रेभ्यः
उत्तमम् उत्तमं सम्पूर्णं वाक्यं किं? What is the full sentence?
भवान् मित्रेभ्यः मधुराणि यच्छतु.
अर्थः कः? What is the meaning?
He gives sweets to his friends.
Who is the karta?
Bhavan.
You. Bhavan is you. You. Please revise the Agna Prarthana form once more, Mahoday.
Okay.
Astu. Srividya Mahoday.
अहं वाहनेभ्यः शिलातैलम् आनयामि.
उत्तमम्. अहं वाहनेभ्यः शिलातैलम् आनयामि. अर्थः कः?
I bring petrol or diesel fuel for my vehicle.
Vehicle ekavachanam va bahuvachanam va?
Vehicles. Vehicles. Vahanebhyah is vehicles.
Aham vahanebhyah shilatailam anayami. I bring petrol for the vehicle. Uttamam. Prashnaah santi va? Any questions? I know these examples are getting a little bit harder, but that is on purpose. You're all learning more and more. We don't want to do balakah asti, balakah pustakam patati. You all graduated from that level. If we continue doing those examples, you'll get bored. So this is to improve your sentence construction ability. Astu. Let us look at Strilinga now. Strilinga is actually the easiest always, and it's also very consistent. Let us look at it. Anupama Mahoday.
Mahoday. Janakah balikabhyah sanganakam krinati. Father buys a computer for daughters.
Janakah balikabhyah sanganakam krinati. So balikaah balikabhyah. So if it was only one girl, one daughter, ekavachanam?
Balikayai.
Balikayai. Uttamam. Janakah balikayai sanganakam krinati. Atra bahuvachanam asti. Tarhi janakah balikabhyah sanganakam krinati. Uttamam. Harsha Mahoday.
Okay. Sakhi mahilabhyah छत्राणि यच्छति.
Sakhi mahilabhyah छत्राणि यच्छति. So friend gives umbrellas for women. So again here we have many women. So mahilabhyah. If it was only one woman,
Sakhi mahilayai छत्राणि यच्छति.
उत्तमम्. एकवचनम् अस्ति चेत् सखी महिलायै छत्राणि यच्छति. अत्र बहुवचनम् अस्ति सखी महिलाभ्यः छत्राणि यच्छति. उत्तमम्. रमेश महोदय.
हेलो.
वदतु महोदय.
महोदय बालिका लेखनीभ्यः
न तृतीयं वाक्यं.
तृतीयं वा? बालकः जननीभ्यः पुष्पाणि ददाति. The boy gives flowers to the mother.
This should be boy. Typing.
Boy, mother. Yeah. Balakah is boy.
बालकः जननीभ्यः
जननीभ्यः पुष्पाणि ददाति
ददाति सो जननी अत्र बहुवचनमस्ति जननीभ्यः if it was only one mother
जनन्यैः बालकः जनन्यैः पुष्पाणि ददाति
जनन्यै वा जनन्यैः वा विसर्ग अस्ति वा
न महोदय जनन्यै
जनन्यै
जनन्यै पुष्पाणि ददाति
अस्तु बालकः जनन्यै पुष्पाणि ददाति इफ इट वाज ओनली वन मदर बट बिकॉज हियर देयर आर मेनी मदर्स बालकः जननीभ्यः पुष्पाणि ददाति
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः मंजुला महोदय पुनः करोतु प्लीज डू दिस लास्ट
बालिका लेखनी
न श्रूयते I cannot hear you.
I lost my connection.
वदतु
I can't see the bow.
Oh, okay. अस्तु विजय मीनन महोदय लास्ट वन
बालिका लेखनीभ्यः मशी क्रीणाति. So it should be the one girl buys ink for the pens. Correct, no?
Yeah, correct. Typo here also. Here it should be the boy and here it should be the girl. Ekavachana.
Yeah.
I will correct it. Balika lekanibhyah
mashi krinati.
So many pens, so lekanibhyah. If it was only one pen,
lekanyai. Lekanyai. Balika lekanyai mashi krinati.
Uttamam. So balika becomes balikabhyah, mahila becomes mahilabhyah, janani becomes jananibhyah, lekhani becomes lekhanibhyah. So it's very easy. Simply add bhyah, and you're done.
Good.
So for the ekavachanam form, karta form, simply add bhyah. Add bhyah balik to balika, balikabhyah, mahilabhyah, jananibhyah, lekhanibhyah. As I said, Strilingam is always easy and it's always consistent. Pumlingam is the only one that is very inconsistent. Astu, Sandeep Mahodaya, Udahara Abhyasam Kurmaha.
Okay. So, Bhavan, so Pushpani Krinatu, for whom Pushpani Krinatu can be anybody. So, Bhavan, no, Bhavan, Malabhya, Pushpani Krinatu.
Malabhyah Pushpani Krinatu. Artha kaha?
You buy flowers for garlands.
Uttamam. Bhavan Malabhyah Pushpani Krinatu. You buy flowers for the garland. Uttamam. Sumitra Mahoday, do this one. Vayam.
Vayam will be Naivedyam Anayamaha should be there. Vayam Bhaginyah Naivedyam Anayamaha. So Bhaginyah should be Bhaginebhyah. Vayam Bhagini. Vayam Bhaginebhyah Naivedyam Anayamaha.
Atra pashyatu. Jananibhyah. Lekhanibhyah. So Bhagini.
Oh, Bhaginibhyah. Vayam Bhaginibhyah Naivedyam Anayamaha.
अर्थः कः?
We got Naivedyam, I mean the offerings thing. We bought, we got, we bring for sisters. We bring Naivedyam. Okay, Devya. Okay, yeah, Devya could also be good.
So this one.
Devi, right? Devi. So Devi Bhyaha. Vayam Devi Bhyaha Naivedyam Anayamaha.
Artha kaha?
We bought Naivedyam for Devis.
Bought or got?
Or we bring Naivedyam to Devis or to goddesses. Yeah. Plural form.
Bahuvachana form. We haven't studied Bhutakala yet, so this is all Vartamana Kala.
I don't know, whenever we say for, it is always going into Bhutakala.
Did I miss anybody or did everybody get a chance? If you haven't got a chance, please speak up. Astu. Usha Mahoday. Agrajaha.
Agrajah, Agrajabhyah, Upaharam dadati.
Artha kaha?
Elder brother is giving upaharam to older sister. Upaharam is gift, is it?
Upaharam is gift.
Gifts.
Upaharan. Bahuvachanam. Upaharan. Bahuvachanam.
Giving gifts.
Atra prayaha bhagini will be more suitable.
Okay.
So let's do that also. Assume this is bhagini is the more appropriate form. So what will your sentence be? Agrajaha.
Agrajaha bhaginibhyaha upaharan dadati.
Then what will be the meaning?
Older brother gives sister gifts.
Gifts for the sisters. Bahuvachanam.
For the sisters.
Right? Bahuvachanam.
For the sisters.
Vijay Sundaram Mahoday.
Vaidyaha.
No, Janani.
Janani.
Putra.
Janani Agraja Prasadam Dadami.
So we have to convert this into the for Kasmai form.
Agrajayai. No, Agrajabhya.
Mahila, Mahilabhyaha, Balikabhyaha. So
Janani Agrajabhyaha Prasadam Dadati.
Uttamam. Artha kaha? What is the meaning?
Mother. Agrajani elder brothers. Prasadam Dadati.
Janani Agrajabhyaha Prasadam Dadati. Mother gives Prasadam to older brother. Kavita Mahoday.
Older sisters.
No, older sister. Kavita Mahoday. Astiva. नास्ति वा? Are you still there? वैद्यः
वैद्यः रुग्णाभ्यः औषधं यच्छति।
उत्तमं। वैद्यः रुग्णाभ्यः औषधं यच्छति। अर्थः कः?
Doctor gives medicine to female patients.
For. We are doing the for. उत्तमम्। श्रीविद्या महोदय। लास्ट वन।
जनकः पुत्राभ्यः पुस्तकानि आनयति।
Say this again.
पुत्राभ्यः।
We are doing Strilinga Mahoday. What is the Bahuvachanam of?
पुत्रीभ्यः पुस्तकानि आनयति।
अर्थः कः?
Father brings books for the daughters.
उत्तमम्। जनकः पुत्रीभ्यः पुस्तकानि आनयति। Question form again rhymes with the answer form. काभ्यः. So ekavachanam was kasyai, bahuvachanam is काभ्यः. जनकः काभ्यः संगणकं क्रीणाति, जनकः बालिकाभ्यः संगणकं क्रीणाति। So काभ्यः बालिकाभ्यः। Same way सखी काभ्यः छत्राणि यच्छति, सखी महिलाभ्यः। So काभ्यः महिलाभ्यः। Again जननीभ्यः काभ्यः, लेखनीभ्यः काभ्यः। So the answer form and the question form in this case rhyme. Astu, any questions? Okay, let us do the abhyasa. Madhuri Mahoday.
Water is essential for trees. Jalam वृक्षेभ्यः
आवश्यकम्
अस्ति।
अस्तु, उत्तमम्। वृक्षेभ्यः जलम् आवश्यकम् और जलं वृक्षेभ्यः आवश्यकम्। रचना महोदय।
Grandfather gives Ashirwad for grandchildren.
Grandfather is Pitamaha.
Pitamaha.
Grandchildren is
पुत्रेभ्यः पौत्रः।
पौत्रेभ्यः पितामहः पौत्रेभ्यः आशीर्वादं ददाति।
उत्तमम्, उत्तमम्। पितामहः पौत्रेभ्यः आशीर्वादं ददाति। सुरेन्द्र महोदय।
ग्रीष्मकाले खगेभ्यः जलं
स्थापयतु।
स्थापयतु।
उत्तमम्, उत्तमम्। ग्रीष्मकाले विहगेभ्यः जलं स्थापयतु। In the last class we saw ekavachanam vihagaha. So what would be for one bird?
Vihagaya.
Vihagaya. उत्तमं। बाला महोदय।
Daughters cook rotis for fathers. Daughters will be balikaha. For fathers will be janakebhyah. And cook rotis will be rotikam pachanti.
उत्तमं। सम्पूर्णं वाक्यं।
बालिकाः जनकेभ्यः रोटिकां पचन्ति।
उत्तमं।
धन्यवादः।
Bhanu Mohoday, I had a doubt. Now, in the previous example, we gave bhyah. What will be the ekvachana form? Vihagayai.
Vihagaya.
Vihagaya.
पुंलिंग शब्द विहगः, so vihagaya.
Yes, thank you. धन्यवाद.
Bhanu Mohoday, this will just be roti kaha, right? Because it's rotis.
You're right. It will be roti kaha. It's a typing error. I will fix it. Viraj Mahoday.
I buy cloth for the curtains. Aham buy for the curtains.
First you did the karta. What is the kriya?
Not getting the word, but
Krinati.
Yeah. Then it will be krinami.
So curtain is javanika ekavachanam.
Okay. So it is plural here. So
bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam. Javanikebhyah vastram. Okay. Aham vastram javanikebhyah krishyami.
Krinami. Aham javanikabhyah vastram krinami. Chaitra Mahoday.
Mother gives saris for daughters. Mother Janani ekvachana. Then gives dadati. Saris, I think it is shatika. For daughters. So daughters putri. So bahuvachana would be putryaha, right? Yeah. So for daughters, it would be putre putribhyah.
Add bhyaha to ekavachana form, not to bahuvachana form.
Okay. So putribhyah. So the entire sentence would be Janani putribhyah shatikaah dadati.
Uttamam. Janani putribhyah shatikaah yachati dadati. Sandeep Mahoday.
He, Saha, brings Anayati sweets Madhurani for his sisters. So sisters is Bhagini. So Bhaginibhya. So Saha Bhaginibhya Madhurani Anayati.
Saha Bhaginibhyah Madhurani Anayati. Meera Mahoday.
Grandmother Matamayi gives dadati or yachati. So Matamayi yachati modakam, many modakas modakan. So Matamayi modakan yachati, 2 granddaughters pautriya. So पौत्रीभ्यः. So मातामही पौत्रीभ्यः मोदकान् यच्छति.
उत्तमम्. पितामही मातामही same thing. पौत्रीभ्यः मोदकानि यच्छति. अस्तु. Here it should be for, not to.
Is it modakani or modakan?
I think it is modakam is napumsakalinga, that's why it's modakani. If it was pumlinga, it would be modakan.
Thank you, धन्यवाद.
Mahodaya, Pitamahi or Matamahi?
Both. Pitamahi is father's mother, Matamahi is mother's mother.
Maternal grandmother.
Narayanan Mahoday.
You give water for the plants. You Bhavan Dadatu Jalam Sasyam. Sasyam would be Sasyebhyah. Bhavan Sasyebhyah Jalam Dadatu.
उत्तमम्. भवान् सस्येभ्यः जलं ददातु और भवती सस्येभ्यः जलं ददातु. उत्तमम्. अनुपमा महोदय. अस्ति वा अनुपमा महोदय? न श्रूयते. I cannot hear you महोदय. अस्तु. विजय मीनन महोदय.
Yeah. He brings gifts for friends. He is Saha brings Anayati, gives Upaharam for friends. Mitrebhyah. So Saha Mitrebhyah Upaharam Anayati.
बहुवचनमस्ति.
Okay, gifts. Upaharani.
Upaharan.
Upaharam is Napumsakalingam, right? Upaharam. Upahara.
Same thing. Another word is upayanam. So upayanani. It doesn't matter. Saha mitrebhyah upayanani anayati. Upaharani also is same. Bhagya Mahoday.
The patient goes to the hospital for medicine. Rugnaha gacchati. Hospital, Vaidyashala, Aushadam. So patient has Vaidyashalaya.
For medicines.
Oh, to Vaidyashalam, right?
No. For medicines.
Aushadebhyah or Aushadaya. So, Aushadebhyah. Rugnaha Aushadebhyah Vaidyashalam gacchati.
Uttamam. Rugnaha or Rugna, it's the same thing. Aushadebhyah. Chikitsalayam, Aushadalayam, it's all the same. Uttamam. Anupama Mahoday. Antimam vakyam karoti.
We give donations for temples. Vayam mandirebhyah danam dadati.
Vayam
dadamaha.
Anybody? Vayam
Dadmah.
Dadmah. Vayam mandirebhyah dakshinam dadmah. Danam dadmah. Astu. So this is again a special form. Dadami dadmah. So please pay attention to the special form. We will include it in the examples as much as we can, but you have to know them by heart. Astu. Prashnaha santi va? Any questions, any doubts? I know this was a little intense, but as I said, it's for your own benefit.
Bhanu Mohoday, is there any rule trick to identify Akaranta, Pullinga and Napunsaklinga, or that is just by practice?
By practice. That's the question we all ask. We also ask. And the answer we got was Dhyasena Agastati.
We have to be clear about the genders in our mother tongue. So we can identify which is Pullinga and Napunsaklinga.
Nasti. Telugu Bhashayam Tatah Nasti. Telugu Bhashayam every object is a Napumsakalinga. So it may be true in Marathi, it's not true, I don't think it is true in every language. Astu. If there are no questions, we'll do one more topic today. So we studied Yadi and Tarhi. Does anybody remember Yadi and Tarhi? Kavita Mahoday, what is Yadi Tarhi?
If then.
If then.
If then. So there is something similar called Chet Noche. So Chet means if. Etat Vakyam Patatu. Kavita Mahoday.
Vibuksha asti chet bhojanam karotu. If you have hunger, eat food.
Bubhuksha asti chet bhojanam karotu. If you have hunger, eat food. Chet, if. Reena Mahoday.
ग्रीष्म कालः अस्ति चेत् व्यञ्जनं चालयामि. If it is summer, I will run the fan.
Read this again.
Vyanjana. Vyanjana.
Vyajanam.
Vyajanam.
There is no nakaranta, na here.
Vyajanam. Grisham kale asti chet.
Grishma. Grisham na Grishma.
Grishma kala.
Kala na kalaha. You have to be very particular about visargas also.
Yes. Grishma kalah asti chet vyajanam chalayami.
So if it is summer, I will run the fan. Chet. So whenever you see chet, it means if.
If, yes.
Sumitra Mahoday.
I should have to read again.
Antimam Vakyam Mahoday.
Sayankalah bhavati chet balakaah kridanti. If it is evening, children play.
Sayankalah bhavati. So evening becomes chet. So if it is evening, if evening becomes balakaah kridanti. Children will play. Very straightforward. Whenever you want to add a conditional if, simply add chet. Any questions? Astu. So the other side of chet is no chet. So chet is if something happens, then do something else, or something else happens. No chet means if not, if something does not happen, or otherwise something else will happen, or something else should happen. Srividya Mahoday.
शीघ्रम् आगच्छतु नो चेत् लोकयानं निष्क्रमण करोति. Come soon, if not the bus is going to leave.
It should be nishkramanam. It's a typing mistake. So shigram agachatu. You are telling somebody, come soon. No chet, if not, or otherwise, lokayanam is bus. Nishkramanam, leaving karoti. So if you don't come soon, then the bus will leave. So come soon. Ramu Mahoday.
Dhanam asti chet dhanam karoti. No chet mastu. If you have money, give donation. Otherwise, don't.
Okay, it should be karotu. There are too many typing mistakes today. I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
Dhanam asti chet. We have seen this form chet. So if there is money, dhanam karotu. Give donation. No chet. If not, otherwise, no need. Don't. Sukanya Mahoday, last one. Unmute karotu Mahoday.
Sorry, Mahoday. Grihakaryam asti chet saha patati, no chet kridati. If there is homework, he studies. If not, he plays. So,
Grihakaryam asti chet. So,
if there is homework.
If there is
homework. Saha patati, he studies. No chet, if not, kridati, plays. He plays.
Clear?
Yes. Dhanyavad.
So, chet and no chet is used very commonly, but it is also, luckily for us, very simple. So, whatever you want to add a conditional statement to, if there is rain, then go inside. Vrishtihe asti chet antah gacchatu. Grishmakalah asti chet tapah bhavati. It will be hot. If it is Grishmakala, if it is summer, it will be hot. Something like that.
So, Bhanu Mahoday, this is slightly different from Yadi Tara Tarhi by, that is more of future tense, is it? There we use?
No, tatah no.
Not necessarily.
Yadi grihakaryam asti tarhi saha pathati. We can do the same thing, right? If there is homework, he studies. Yadi grihakaryam asti tarhi saha pathati. We can do that, right?
That also,
so it is vartamana kala. That's it.
Do we have another for the bus is going to leave? Do we have another phrase or something? Lokayanam nishkramana karoti, nishkramanam karoti. Or do we have another phrase or word for this?
Probably it will be there. I'll have to think about it. Why are you asking, Mahoday? Is there a mistake here?
Nishkramanam, what does it really mean? Karoti?
Nishkramanam means leaving, the act of leaving.
Leaving, okay. Nishkramanam. And karoti, does it fit?
It will do. Karoti means it will do. Nishkramanam karoti means it will do the act of leaving or it will leave.
Okay, thank you.
I see what you're saying. Nishkramanati probably. I think it will be.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Nishkramanati.
It can be simply Lokayanam Gacchati.
Lokayanam Gacchati. That is true. That is also true. We can say that also.
Can we also do Lokayanam Gacchati Sma?
Once we do Sma, we can do that. So Vijay Menon Mahodaya, to go back to your question, convert this into Yadi Tarhi form.
Yadi bubukshaha asti tarhi bhojanam karotu. Okay, if you are telling someone, yes, karotu.
Very simple. Yadi bubuksha asti tarhi bhojanam karotu. If there is hunger, you eat.
Okay. Yeah, understood.
You can say kadatu, right?
Kadatu. Astu. Kadatu also you can say. So Usha Mahodaya, convert this into Yadi Tarhi form.
Yadi Grishmakalaha asti tarhi vyajanam chalayami.
Very simple. Correct. Uttamam. Yadi Grishmakalaha asti tarhi vyajanam chalayami. If it is summer, then I will run the fan. Any other questions on this?
I think. No, I just wanted to say, I think the advantage of this form is more when we use chet, no chet. In Yadhitari, we don't have the no option. In this becomes very useful. Like if you have to say, if this, then do, if not, then that is not available in that form. Yadhitari.
That is true. True. Satyam. Satyam. Okay, I wanted to point out a couple of things. So as we learn about each question form, I'm adding it to this table. So please spend some time to go through this. And the example for Pumlinga, Strilinga, Akaranta, Ikaranta Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga are also given here. So we are collecting everything in one place for your convenience. And then also there is one more table that collects all of the forms of the Rama Shabda, Sita Shabda, Akaranta, Ikaranta, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga in one place. And it shows for what purpose we are using and the corresponding question form. And then in the next slide, we have the same thing, but with meanings in English for your convenience. So please go through this. So that way you will know if we see Ramena, it means by or with Rama, and so on and so forth. And then we did the same thing for many of our languages. Ramesh Mahodaya helped me with the Telugu. Sandeep Mahodaya helped me with Hindi. I can't see this. Kannada Bhasha, I'm working with Bhagya Mahodaya on that. We will update it shortly. Tamil Bhasha, Srividya Mahodaya put this together. Gujarati, Hemanti Mahodaya did this. Marathi, Madhuri Mahodaya did this. Waiting for Malayalam and Bengali Bhasha. We did that for Rama Shabda. The meanings will be the same for Sita or Nadi or Phalam. The forms will be different, but the meanings will be the same. So please go through this and try to understand what each of these forms mean. And if you notice any error, please let me know. Astu. Prashnaha santi va? Any questions, any doubts, any comments?
Mahodaya, The slide in PowerPoint, the one I did it shows in my computer the Kannada, Kannada Bhasha, this one, but I do not know why it doesn't show here.
Okay, we will talk about that separately, Mahodaya. Let's talk about class-specific things right now. Astu.
Banu, I missed the first 2 to 5 minutes of the class. Did you have any information?
Yeah, you have to buy the book. The class next week is on Thursday. Yeah, those are the two main announcements.
Thursday, not Tuesday.
Next week, only for next week.
Okay, Mahodaya.
Yes, sir. Samapayamaha. We'll do the Mangala Shlokam. Please mute yourself. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada Mahoday.
Dhanyavada Mahoday.
Dhanyavad Mahoday.